What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing Brutus from Fortnite. Let's get started at the top of our page with the sunglasses. So I'm going to start on the left side with the upper edge. Starting on the outside, we're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and then back down on the inside. Let's leave a gap and draw the same thing over on the right. So we're going to line this up, we're going to curve up towards the top and then back down on the outside. And now we'll connect the outside to the inside with a half circle. So let's start on the outside, come down towards the bottom, and then just pull that up on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, and pull that all the way back up on the right. Let's connect the glasses with a line going straight across. Starting from the left, come in, and step down, and draw another line going across, and then we'll fill that in black. And then we'll move down and draw the nose piece. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and then back down. We're also going to add a glare going across the glasses. So let's start at the very top on the left. We're going to draw a straight angle line coming down towards the right. And we'll do the same thing on the right lens. And we'll fill the left side in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the nose. We want to line up with the bottom edge of the glasses, move to the center. I'm going to start over on the left side. We're going to curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. Now I'm going to move up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the bridge of the nose. Let's move back up and draw the edge of the brow. Starting from the left side, we're going to draw a curve, coming in and pulling that up, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the mouth. We're going to start back on the left side, we'll curve up in the middle, and then down on the right side, and then we'll step down and draw a short line going across for the lower lip. Let's add a crease along the side of the nose. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to curve out, and then down, go to the right side, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to move to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. From the top corner of the glasses on the left, we're going to step out and draw a large half circle. We're going to come down underneath the mouth, round up the chin, and go out and up on the right. Now let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a straight line coming in towards the glasses. Step down, draw that twice, and then we'll fill that in black. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw a large half circle for the top of the head. Starting back on the left, just going to bump out the side of the head, going out and up, round up the top of the head, come around, and then down on the right side. Now I'm going to move out and tuck the ears along the side of the head. Let's start back on the left side. We're going to curve up, round out the ear, and come down and then in towards the side of the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, come down, and then pull that in towards the side. Now we're going to add some folds inside the ear. From the top of the ear on the left, we're going to step down, and curve up, and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to go back to the left side on the inside, we're going to curve out, and then hook that back in. Now that we completed the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the inside edge of the jacket. So leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, just underneath the head. Draw a straight line coming all the way down toward the bottom of the jacket. Move over towards the right, and draw that same length line. And then we'll round out the bottom of the jacket. Starting on the left side, we're going to go out, and then bend this up, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's draw on the side of the body. Starting back on the left, start by going straight up. I'm just going to bend that in along the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start by going straight up and then bending that in. From the inside corner of the jacket, we're going to step up and draw a straight line from left to right, to the bottom of the belt. And move up and draw another line going across. Let's add in the buckle. Leaving a gap in the center, we draw two lines, one on the left and then one on the right. Now we're going to move back up and draw in the shirt collar and the tie. Starting in the middle, just underneath the chin, we'll draw an angle line coming down now toward the left, and then the right. And then we'll move in, draw the knot of the tie. Starting on the left side, I'm going to draw a short line coming down and in. You want to leave a gap in the center. Go to the right side, come down and in, close off the bottom with a straight line. And then from the bottom corners of the knot, we're going to draw two straight angle lines coming down and out towards the bottom of the tie. And then from here, we're going to pull this in towards the center. Starting on the left, we'll come down and in, go to the right, and do the same thing. Let's add the collar of the jacket. From the inside at the very top, we'll step down, draw an angle line coming down and out, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the end, we want to draw a straight angle line coming down near the bottom of the jacket. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back up and draw the top of the collar. About halfway along this line, angle up and out with a short line. And then from here, we'll angle up and in behind the head. Now add a single button over on the left side. We're going to draw a small circle. Now let's move out to the side and add the pockets. From the corner of the jacket, we'll step up, draw a straight line coming in, line this up on the right, do the same thing. And then from the inside, we'll draw a short line going up toward the top of the pocket, and then we'll go back out with a straight line. Let's continue working down with the legs. From the buckle, we're going to step down, draw a curve from left to right, going up and then down. Now leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, curve out the leg, and then down towards the heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the heel, I'm going to curve down the foot, then up towards the toe. Now I'm going to go back to the left side and draw on the top of the foot. Starting from the toe, we're going to curve up and round out the foot and come down. And then I'm going to bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the toe, we'll curve up and then bend this down, sort of aiming towards the heel. And then we'll bend that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of each foot. Taking this curve, starting from the toe, we'll step up and just trace that across on both sides. Now we're going to move back up to the hip and draw on the side of the leg. From the left side, we're going to step in, we're going to curve out the leg, and straight down, and then bend that in on top of the foot. Do the same thing on the right, going out, down, and then bending that in. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body, so starting right here, curve out, and then down towards the wrist. We'll line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now going back to the left side, we're going to draw on the thumb. From the wrist, we'll draw a small half circle, curving in and then bending that back out. At the end of the thumb, we'll add a bracket. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming in and then out, and then we'll add a bracket. Now I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Starting at the bottom of the thumb, I'm going to curve down and then bend this up around that bracket. We'll step down, curve down the second finger, and back up. And then the third finger, start out here, curve out, bend the arm coming up, and then tuck this in behind the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add in the sleeve. Starting from the top of the thumb, curve up, and then down towards the outside of the arm. Let's step up and follow that same curve coming back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top of the thumb, we'll go up and then down. We'll move up and draw that twice. And that's pretty much it. There's Brutus from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.